Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are heading toward Thanksgiving holidays, and what is a Thanksgiving holiday? Is just a family gather up and a delicious turkey. And today I'm gonna show you how to cook this 15 pounds turkey in a very delicious way, very easy way from A to Z. So let's get started. At the corner, I put all the ingredients we're gonna use to prepare and cook the turkey today. Here I'm gonna start adding my 2 blocks of butter in a mixing bowl. And I'm gonna use a teaspoon as my measurement. So I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of chicken rub, 4 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 whole lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder to add more flavor. Finally, 1 teaspoon of fajita seasoning. Now just give it a good mix. A little bit of salt inside the turkey. And a little bit of fajita seasoning inside the turkey so it can absorb from within. Now my turkey is ready for next step. So what I'm gonna do now, I'll create some pockets by gently split the skin from the breast, just by stuffing my fingers and trying not to go all the way to the neck. I'm just trying to create pockets to hold my mixer inside the turkey. And what we're trying to do here, we're trying to let the breast absorb all the seasoning and keep it there for the longest time we can. Now start putting my mixer and gently push it forward. Now after I'm done, I will cover the whole turkey with the rest of the mixture. Now I'll cut 1 lemon in 2 halves and stuff it inside. And 4 halves of onion. By the way, you can stuff the turkey with different kind of veggies, carrot, broccoli, even cooked rice. And you can imagine all these veggies, the rice, it will absorb all the seasoning, all the flavor came out from the turkey. Now I'll wrap legs together. Then I will cover it with some aluminum foil. I'll transfer my turkey to my cooking pan, which have some grit to lift the turkey above the pan a little bit so I can collect all the oily stuff came out of the turkey, just to make a delicious gravy that you can serve with this delicious turkey. Now it's ready. I'll let it rest for an hour to enrich it with flavor. Time to cook. I will cook it for an hour on 400 degree. After 30 minutes, I will give it a turn just to get the heat evenly. First hour is done. Now I'll drop it to 350 for another 2 hours. Now look at it. After 1 hour on 400 degree, the skin start turning red, and the reason why I put it the first hour on 400 degree is just to give it that crisp from outside and to seize all the flavors, all the moisture, all the liquids inside that little bird. Now after I done paste it for the first time, I'm gonna do that every 30 minutes. And the way that I'm doing it, I'm taking some liquids with the spoon and spread it with my cooking brush. Now I'll use my thermometer just to measure the internal temperature, and it's been 2 hours and it's 143. The turkey, to be done, to be well done, to be fully cooked, it should reach above 160 degree, and that's the way that we like it. I don't know if you guys like it like more well done. It should goes a little bit higher. The second hour is done, and look at that fully cooked crispy skin, so beautiful. And internal temperature is too perfect. It's 163. That's inside turkey breast. It's look just perfect. Now the last time pasting, and after that I'm gonna move it to my serve plate or to another plate so I can collect all the liquids, and I'll show you how to make the gravy after that. Now the time to show you how to make gravy from all the liquids that we collect from our birds. By adding couple of tablespoons until it gets hot. And here I'm just taking the oil, the fat that is floating on the surface. And here I'm adding a couple tablespoons of flour, white flour. And then I'll give it a good mix until it's thick enough to add the rest. Once I reach that point, I'll start adding the rest of the liquid and keep stirring it until it's thick again. Once my mixer starts getting thicker, I will turn the stove off and I will let it cool while I'm cutting the turkey and get it ready to serve. First thing, I will get all the onion and lemon out, and then I will start with the legs. And once I've done with the legs, I'll start to cut the breast and I'll start to fillet it in 1/2-inch pieces. By adding the gravy, it will be ready to serve. I wish you all enjoy this meal with your family. Happy Thanksgiving again, and I'll see you in the next video.